Hi everyone, James G0SEC here, just doing a quick video. I'm just about to do the sealing of the new Radio Shack cabinets. I've got, let me just walk over here. I've got the masking tape ready for the sealant. It's a grey sealant which will seal the desk to the wall, just so it looks really neat. And on this side, on this side, it's just rubbing down a little bit of grey sealant all the way along, all the way down and to there. It just makes it look nice and neat, so it's like into the wall. Stops the creepy crawlies coming back from behind, whichever way you want to look at it. But that's the job today. It's that will complete the bottom unit. The bottom unit is being done very well. Very pleased with it. I've even got like strips along here to completely seal it. It's all been done really well. There's pipes at the back, there's light units at the back for the wiring. The next job will be the cables going through down in, and then I'm building the uprights for at the moment, which will be for the shelving. And when those are done and completed, the design work for the actual shelving itself will be on the way. And I'm going to do a mock of a 3mm board first, and so it's cut so it fits perfectly, and that will be like a template for the actual shelving that I actually cut. Or I'm not actually cutting it, my friend is cutting it because he's very good, got the right equipment and stuff, but I'm going to be designing it. He's going to cut it for me. I can't because of my illness I've got. But once the top shelf is on, I'm going to be building shelves here and here, get the weather station working, and then it's a case of painting it all. The front of the shelving has to have filler put on it, and not just any filler, it's going to be car filler, the same I used for this here. And this is two boards together. If I just open up, this is two boards together, and then with car body filler matched in, wet and dried. It looks makes the cabinet look much more heavy duty. Same with on that side. And with this cabinet over here, I've done the same thing. This is two boards together and done wet and dried with filler, and then we have a nice cabinet which looks a lot thicker. So gone overboard on how to do the shack this time. It's taken a long time, over a year to get this far, but loving this bit that goes in. And still got the same amount of room. This here is where the actual old desk used to come. It's actually just ½ an inch outwards than where the old desk used to come, so I've actually got more room here, and then it comes out on the sides here. The audio racks will be here, and sort of going through my this will be underneath the radio equipment, but you'll see the general idea as it unfolds. But I thought I'd just do this quick video today. This is a bit of a milestone day for me. I couldn't wait to get to the sealing part. And all masked up, ready for sealing. And just let's hope it goes well. Speak to you soon, guys. 7-3 for now.